would you come help us? Let me work you guys. And can we have, sir, would you be willing to come and help us? Yeah? Come join us for the bell ring. Isn't it great? So this is a tradition that we have at Dundee Highlands, which is we use some of our new families, our new students, and our new teachers to help us ring in the new school year, okay? So we're gonna ring this school year in.
Of course we do. Stand up.